Here I've got a map of my flower bed. It's 20 meters length, 10 meters width, but I want to increase my flower bed dimensions by 20%. That means I'm going to increase this one by 20% and this by 20%. I'm going to make the flower bed a little bit bigger. What will be the area of this new flower bed? First of all, work out 20% of 20 meters. Well, you know 20% is 10%. 10%. To find 10% of 20, do 20 divided by 10. It's 2. 10% is also 2. That makes 4 meters. But because I want to increase, remember increase means adding. So I'm going to do 20 add 4. That will give me 24 meters. Do the same thing with 10 meters. Find 20% of 10. Ten divided by 10 is 1. So 10% is worth 1, 10% is worth 1. That makes 2. Remember, increase means adding. So I've got to do 10 add 2. Makes 12 meters. So that actually made it slightly bigger. So that was my new flower bed. It'll be 12 meters this way and then 24 meters this way. To answer the question, what will be the area of the new flower bed? I've got to do 24 times 12, length times width. That will be 288 meter squared is the new area. I used to use 100 kg of compost to cover my original flower bed. That's the original size. How much extra compost will I need now after this change? So after I've made the flower bed bigger. First of all, work out the area of the original flower bed. Originally it was 20 meters by 10. So the area was 20 times 10, 200 meters squared. That's the original size of the flower bed, and I needed 100 kg to cover that according to the question here. So what I'll do now is I'll do 200 divided by 100. 200 divided by 100 is 2. So what that means now, what that 2 means, is that I can cover 2 meters squared of that garden, that flower bed, using 1 kg of compost. So 1 kg of compost will cover 2 meters squared. But what I need to know is how much compost, how many kilograms of compost I'll need to cover 288 meters squared, which is the new size. So you've got 288 meters squared. So how many kg will that be? Now you know to get from 2 meters squared to 288 meters squared, you need to know what the multiplier is, what you need to multiply by. So basically 2 times something to give you 288. Well, you can do 288 divided by 2. That'll be 144. 2 times 144 gives 288. What have you done this side? Do on the other side. 1 times 144 is 144. So to answer the question, how much extra compost will I need? Well, I'll need 144 kg of compost, but it's asking how much extra from the original amount. So to work out that, I need to do 144 take away 100. That's 44 kg extra. Bags of compost come in 20 kg packs. Each pack cost £8, but now there's a sale, 10% off all compost packs. So they're knocking off 10% of £8. How much will it cost me to cover my new size flower bed? First of all, I need to work out how many compost bags I need to buy. Remember, originally I worked out that I need 144 kg of compost to cover my new size flower bed. Just mention that here. But each pack is 20 kg, so I'll need to figure out how many packs I need to buy to cover the 144 kg. It's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, right? That covers 140, so I'll need to buy one extra bag. I know it's a bit too much. That covers 160, more than 144, but I need to buy the extra bag. So that's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bags needed, right? I need to buy 8 bags. 8 bags, each one £8. That's £64. It's 10% off £64. So work out 10% of £64. That's 64 divided by 10. £6.40. So all I've got to do now is, because it's a 10% off, that's a decrease question. So I'm going to do now 64 take away £6.40, which is £57.60.